Hello everyone. Today we will learn increasing and decreasing functions. Definition of increasing function. A function f is said to be a monotonically or strictly increasing function on an interval ab, open interval ab, if for any x1, x2 belongs to open interval ab with x1 less than x2, we have f of x1 is less than f of x2. Here if x1 x2 belongs to open interval ab and if x1 is less than x2, then the relation f of x1 is less than f of x2, then the function is increasing. Decreasing function. A function f is said to be monotonically or strictly decreasing function if for any x1 x2 belongs to ab with here x1 must be greater than x2, here is typing mistake, sorry, x1 greater than x2, then we have f of x1 is greater than f of x2. Remark or note, whenever f dash of x is equal to 0, at that point the tangent is parallel to x-axis, we cannot deduce that whether f of x is increasing or decreasing at that point. While solving the examples on increasing and decreasing functions, we have to remember these three remarks. First remark, if f dash of x is greater than 0 for every x on some interval I, then f of x is increasing. Remark number 2, if f dash of x is less than 0 for every x on some interval I, then f of x is decreasing on the interval. And if f dash of x is equal to 0, then f of x is the constant on the interval, and graph of increasing and decreasing function is shown as like this type. एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना आपण फक्त पहिले दोन रिमार्क्स यूज करणार आहोत. एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन 0 आणि एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स लेस दॅन 0. ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असेल तर इन्क्रीजिंग आणि लेस दॅन 0 असेल तर डिक्रीजिंग. Examples. Example number 1. Test whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing. The first question is f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 16 and x belongs to R. Solution. Given function is f dash of x is derivative of given function is equal to derivative of this function is 3x square minus 12x plus 12. Taking 3 common, 3 into bracket x square minus 4x plus 4. x square minus 4x plus 4 यासाठी इथं दोन फॅक्टर्स आहेत x minus 2 that can be written as 3 into x minus 2 square which is greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. इथं हा जो फॅक्टर आहे x minus 2, whenever we substitute any real value of x, this factor will be greater than or equal to 0. x equal to 0 substitute करून पाहिलं तरी हा greater than 0 येतो बा. 0 minus 2 bracket square is equal to 3 into minus 2 square and is equal to 3 into 4 and is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. When x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Here 3 into 0 square, that is 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. For any real value of x belongs to R, this factor is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0 and therefore f is increasing for all x belongs to R. Next question. Test whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing. F of x is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube, x belongs to R. Solution, given f of x is equal to, write the derivative of given f of x. F dash of x is equal to minus 3 plus 6x minus 3x square. इथं 2y याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0, याचा minus 3, 3x स्क्वेअरचा 6x आणि x क्यूबचा minus 3x स्क्वेअर. minus x क्यूबचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus 3x स्क्वेअर. Taking common minus 3 into bracket x square minus 2x plus 1. Now simplify this quadratic expression is equal to minus 3 into x minus 1 bracket square, which is less than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. Substituting x is equal to any real value, we can write or we can derive this factor as a negative number. कारण ह्याला कोएफिशियंट जो आहे तो -3 आहे, त्यामुळे हा फॅक्टर निगेटिव्ह येणार आहे. मग निगेटिव्ह असल्यानंतर आपण रिझल्ट काय लिहायचा आहे, विच इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0 फॉर ऑल एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू आर. हा पॉईंट महत्त्वाचा आहे. फॉर ऑल एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू आर, देअरफॉर एफ ऑफ एक्स इज or given f is decreasing for all x belongs to R. पुढचा क्वेश्चन, टेस्ट whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing. f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x for x belongs to R and x is not equal to 0. Solution, f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. Therefore f dash of x is equal to d by dx of x minus 1 by x is equal to derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So after simplification we will get f dash of x is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x square, for which is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R and x is not equal to 0. Since this term contain x square, so for any real value this factor will be positive, that is greater than 0. Therefore f dash of x greater than 0 for all x belongs to R, where x is not equal to 0. Therefore f is increasing for all x belongs to R for x not equal to, where x not equal to 0. The next question is to test the given function is increasing or decreasing. Solution, given f of x is equal to cos x and here interval for x is 0 to pi, open interval 0 to pi. F dash of x is equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We know that sin x function is always positive in first and second quadrant. फर्स्टमध्ये हा साइन ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह असतो, त्याचबरोबर सेकंड क्वाड्रंटमध्येही साइन एक्स पॉझिटिव्ह असतो. फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मिळून जो इंटरवल होणार आहे हा तो 0 to pi असणार आहे. म्हणजेच 0 to pi याच्यासाठी हे साइन फंक्शन काय असणार आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह असणार आहे. दॅट इज minus sin x is less than 0. minus sin x is less than 0. त्याच इंटरवलसाठी हा minus sin x less than 0 असणार आहे. Therefore f dash of x less than 0 for 0 to pi and hence f of x is decreasing function for given interval. Next question, find the values of x such that f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1 is an increasing function. Solution, given f of x is equal to, therefore f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 30x plus 36. Taking 6 common, 6 into x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 6 into factorizing this quadratic factor x square minus 5x plus 6, 6 गुणाकार, 6 मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि -5 ॲडिशन पाहिजे. याचे दोन फॅक्टर्स येतात x minus 3 आणि x minus 2. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 6 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. Since f of x is an increasing function, we get f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, 6 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Therefore, simply x minus 3 and x minus 2 हा product greater than 0 असेल. Therefore, x is less than 2 or x is greater than 3. Therefore, f of x is an increasing function for x less than 2 or x greater than 3. Next question. Find the value of x for which the following functions are strictly increasing. F of x is equal to 3 plus 3x minus 3x square plus x cube. Solution. Given f of x is equal to, therefore f dash of x is equal to 3 minus 6x plus 3x square, taking common 3 into bracket x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to, f is strictly increasing if f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, 3 into x square minus 2x plus 1 greater than 0. That is if x square minus 2x plus 1 greater than 0. That is if x minus 1 bracket square greater than 0. हा फॅक्टर पॉझिटिव्ह कधी असणार आहे पहा, एक्झॅक्टली x इज इक्वल टू 1 हा सोडून बाकीच्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूजसाठी हा पॉझिटिव्ह असणार आहे. म्हणजेच x बिलॉंग्स टू r मायनस सिंगलटन 1. फक्त एक्झॅक्टली x इज इक्वल टू 1 असेल तर हे जे फंक्शन आहे ते व्हॅल्यू किती येणार आहे, एक्झॅक्टली इज इक्वल टू 0. आपल्याला स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर दॅन 0 अशी टर्म पाहिजे. नाव x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. Therefore, x belongs to r minus singleton 1. Therefore, f is strictly increasing if x belongs to r minus singleton 1. Find the values of x such that f of x is equal to 2x square plus x square plus 2x minus 5 is an increasing function. f of x is equal to, सोल्युशन मध्ये पहा, f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 5. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Since f of x is an increasing function, f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, this f dash of x 2x plus 3 is positive, and after simplification shifting of 2x is greater than minus 2. Therefore, x is greater than minus 1. Therefore, f of x is an increasing function for x greater than minus 1. Next question. Find the value of x for which the following functions are strictly decreasing. f of x is equal to x plus 25 upon x. Given f of x is equal to x plus 25x, therefore f dash of x is equal to 1 minus 25 upon x square. F is strictly decreasing if f dash of x less than 0. That is if 1 minus 25 upon x square less than 0. That is if 1 is less than 25 upon x square. That is if x square is less than 25, and meaning of x square is less than 25 is minus 5 less than 5, and x is not equal to, exactly x is not equal to 0. That is, x belongs to open interval minus 5 to 5 minus singleton 0. Therefore, f is strictly increasing if x belongs to open interval minus 5 to 5 minus singleton 0. Next question. Find the values of x for which the functions are strictly decreasing. F of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 2 24x plus 12. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 18x plus 12. Taking common 3 into bracket x square minus 6x plus 8. F is strictly decreasing if f dash of x is less than 0. That is, if this factor 3 into x square minus 6x plus 8 is less than 0. That is, x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. Shifting of 8. That is, if इथं 8 शिफ्ट केलं आहे, -8 इकडं आलं. x square minus 6x less than -8, adding 9 on both side. x square minus 6x plus 9 is less than -8 plus 9. Simplifying, this quadratic expression is simplified. X minus 6x plus 9, that is, if x minus 3 bracket square and -8 plus 9 is 1. Therefore, x minus 3 bracket square is less than 1. That is, if मागच्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपण असं पाहिलं होतं, एक्स स्क्वेअर इज लेस दॅन 25 असा फॅक्टर होता. आपण असं लिहिलं होतं -5 लेस दॅन एक्स लेस दॅन 5. आता इथं काय असणार आहे, एक्स मायनस 3 स्क्वेअर लेस दॅन 1. याचं मिनिंग पहा, इथं लिहिलेलं आहे -1 लेस दॅन एक्स मायनस 3 लेस दॅन 1. नाव ॲडिंग 3 throughout, -1 plus 3 less than x minus 3 plus 1 less than 1 plus 3. Simplifying, -1 plus 3 is 2 less than x. 3 cancelled, only x less than 1 plus 3 is 4. That is, x lies in between 2 to 4. Therefore, x belongs to open interval 2, 4. Therefore, f is strictly decreasing if x belongs to 2, 4. Find the values of x for which f of x is equal to x divided by x square plus 1 is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Solution: f of x is equal to x upon x square plus 1. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to u upon v rule apply करा. v as it is, v is equal to x square plus 1 आहे. x square plus 1 into d by dx of x minus x आहे असं आणि d by dx of x square plus 1 divided by v square, that is x square plus 1 bracket square. Simplifying, x square plus 1 आहे असंच लिहा. x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 लिहिला इथं, x आहे असाच, आणि x स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x प्लस 0, डिनॉमिनेटर ॲज इट इज. Therefore, x square plus 1 minus 2x square divided by x square plus 1 bracket square. Simplifying, x square minus 2x square is minus x square, 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 bracket square. पहिला पार्ट, f is strictly increasing if f dash of x is greater than 0. That is, if हा फॅक्टर 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 bracket square is greater than 0. That is, if हा फॅक्टर पॉझिटिव्ह येण्यासाठी हा डिनॉमिनेटर तर 0 येणार नाही, डिनॉमिनेटर 0 असणारच नाही, म्हणजेच हा जो न्यूमरेटर असणार आहे 1 minus x square must be greater than 0. Therefore, that is, if 1 minus x square is greater than 0, and shifting of the term, that is, if 1 is greater than x square. If x square is less than 1, that is, if minus 1 is less than x less than 1. Second part, f is strictly increasing, f is strictly decreasing part आहे पुढचा. f is strictly decreasing if f dash of x is less than 0. That is, if f dash of x less than 0, this factor less than 0, that is 1 minus x square less than 0. That is, if x square greater than 1, that is if x greater than 1 or x less than minus 1, f is strictly in decreasing. इथं परत decreasing पाहिजे. Decreasing if x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. That is, x belongs to union of open interval minus infinity to 1 union 1 comma infinity. So in this lecture we have studied applications of derivative as increasing and decreasing functions.